people are still protesting, though from all I can see, the people are well organized and the drivers are queued on the line and the car gradually driving. And if the nation have deteriorated the way it is and the people in authority could allow the nation to be so bad, well, let me tell you, the face of international airport supposed to be the real reflex of what is obtainable in that society, and the nation have been so bad that people, the youth are no longer happy, the youth are agitating, you can see them, look at the way they organize themselves, you can see. When they say the Nigerian youth are lazy, you can see the madness. You youths are not lazy. They are protesting. They are showing their bitterness over the madness in the society of ours. Okay? Can you imagine the youth coming out as early as possible because an assemble of group of criminals that they call police or SARS who keep on maiming Nigerians youth? Even the president himself opened his mouth to say that Nigerian youths are lazy. You can see, can you look at them? Do they look like lazy people? I'm very happy to see the Nigerian youths are now living up to this expectation. What is supposed to be? These are the future. They're supposed to be the president. They're supposed to be governors of today's nation. They're supposed to be members of the House of Assembly. They're supposed to be the legislators of any kind. But all the idiots, all the criminals, all the looters, all the elder people that are almost 90 years still call themselves the president, still call themselves the governors. You can see, I cry for this nation. Thank you. One day, the youth are trying to tell the Nigerians that they are not lazy. They want to live up to the expression. Thank the youth of this country. I doff my cap for you people in respect. We have failed you people. God bless you.